Hi guys, welcome. I am Sylvia, and today I will be sharing with you the first part of my Halloween series cakes. This is going to be a 3D Halloween ghost cake, and it is super easy to make, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so for this project, what we need is 3 6-inch cakes and a 6-inch round cake. Wilton sells the pans. They usually are made for balls, so you just need half of it. I need a board decorated, my turntable, a spatula, some buttercream, and we're gonna use some white fondant and some black for the details. So let's do it. So to get started with this, I'm going to cut the top off of my cakes. Oh, actually, I have made one purple blueberry flavor. I made one strawberry pink, and the orange cake, and a lemon yellow cake. So I will start with the purple on the bottom. And then I'm gonna put some buttercream in the middle, stack them up, and just crumb coat it, and then I will put it in the fridge so that it can cool off for a little bit. That's it. Cake is ready to go in the fridge. Okay, so while the cake is in the fridge, I will make some little arms for my ghost. Rice Krispie treats. He's gonna be a very cute ghost, so obviously everything's rounded, so I'm not gonna attempt to make any type of hands or anything, just a knob for the shape of the hands. So I have my cake mold, and I'm just going to squeeze it against that, so that way when I put it on my cake, it's going to be, this part's gonna be a little curved. Makes it a little easier. Okay, so as I was putting this together, I decided that I wanted to see this cake taller, so we came up with the idea of making it look like it's floating. So I cut out a little piece of styrofoam board, and I'm going to cut a hole, actually I'm gonna stick a dowel through it, and then I'm gonna make a little hole on my board so that it can stick through it, so that it's stable and secure, and then the cake will go on top of this. So let's do this. Okay, so that we accomplish the illusion of an empty space underneath, I'm going to use some royal icing and paint my styrofoam. Okay, so I have some hot glue. I have a board, a cardboard board underneath my whole ghost. So the hot glue is going to attach that to the styrofoam. I just had another idea. I'm going to carve a little hole for its open mouth. That's it. That's all. Cake went back in the fridge, and I am now going to get my fondant ready. I have about 3 pounds of white fondant. I'm going to put some powdered sugar, roll it out, not too thin because I don't want it too thin, and that's it. Then I'm gonna just cover the cake with it. I have a little oval cutter here. I'm gonna cut the eyes and then the mouth. That's so cute! Okay guys, this is it. This is a really cute Halloween ghost, the first cake of the Halloween series. I hope you guys stay tuned for all the other Halloween cakes that we're gonna be making. And he came out super adorable, and not only is he cute on the outside, do you remember we have a really fun cake inside, so it's gonna match all the colors of the board. It's gonna be yellow, orange, pink, and purple with all different flavors. So it's gonna be super cute inside too. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. Oh, this is so cute. Bye bye, ghost.